it's Thespa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a very quick, very easy, and very cheap way to make a organizer to hold your dies for your paper cuts. This could work for your dies or for die cut pieces of paper, etc. So I found this package of these sheet protectors at the Goodwill outlet, and this is one of those where the has 4 pockets and they all face towards the inside seam. So basically you would have put 4 photos in there to protect them. So I thought this would be perfect for storing my dies, as I've been getting a bunch of dies from AliExpress and I just have a bunch of different ones that need organizing. They're all kind of shoved in a box. So I decided to make an organizer, which is not much different from a lot of organizers that people have done, throwing the dies in these little pockets and then, putting them in a binder. But the cool thing about this is because the pockets are on the center, on the inside, and then you fold it over, your dies aren't sliding out. They won't slide out the top, they won't slide out the end. They're completely sealed up in there. And the way that you do that, they have these at the Dollar Tree. There's 20 of them in a package. They are self-adhesive Velcro dots. So you want to take your little sheet protector and you want to go ahead and line it up and just kind of score it so that it will continue to bend at the same point. And you take your little Velcro sticky dot and place it in the middle. And you take the other side and you place it on top of that one. That's so that you end up lining it up. So make sure the ends are lined up where you want them before you push this down. So then you have a little Velcro pocket, and then your dies can go on the inside. When it closes, it keeps your dies from sliding out. You won't lose your dies anymore. So then I found this little, one of these little binders that has the kind of vinyl cover, but it's kind of thick. And then I just put these in it, measured it down, and then cut it so it wouldn't have a bunch of extra tab there. And it's just kind of compact and easy to take. And then it has all of my dies in it. It holds 4 sets of dies for each page, so that's kind of cool. And you just really just open it up. You can get to your dies in there. And then if you have packaging, you can cut your packaging down and put them on the sides there. I am planning, for these that I got from AliExpress, I'm planning on cutting some cardstock to go in each pocket and then cut out the die and then attach it to the cardstock. That way, when I'm flipping through, the image of the die will be on the outside of both pages. So that's a very quick, cheap, easy way to organize your dies so they're not sliding out. You don't lose pieces. Everything's together. You can flip through without them flying out the top or the side or the bottom or whatever. So that's kind of fun. So that worked out pretty well. I just wanted to share. I hope this helps somebody organize their dies, and I'll see you next time. Bye!